Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video, we will be going over the z-index property. So this property just specifies the stack order of an element, which just means it places elements in front or behind other elements. So by default, the way it works is the last specified element will be on top of the other two elements. So if we look on our page here, you can see we have the green box, gray box, and black box. And you can see we have the gray, black, green, gray, and black. So you can see that the green box is on top of the other two boxes, and you can see that this green box has been specified last. So the last specified element will always go on top of the previous elements. But with the z-index, we can specify the z-index, or which element we want to be on top. So I have a bit of CSS done here. It's just to just set the size and the color of these other elements. You don't need to worry about that. It's just for an example, and it will just make us save time. So I don't have to write this code out. So here we have the black, gray, and green box. So by default, this green box is on top, and then this gray box is in between the black and the green box, and then the black box is the one behind the green and the gray. Let's say we want to move the black box so it's in front of these other two boxes. So what we can do is we can specify the z-index like this, and then we can give it a value. So let's say we give it a value 1. That means that this is going to be the very first stack, so this is going to be on the very top. So as in, this is going to be the very first one. So if you go back into here, you can see the black border has now been placed on top of the gray box and on top of the green box. So this black box now is on top of the stack that we have, and then the green and the gray box, they just go in order of the element that they were if we didn't specify it, but we can specify it. So let's say in the green box we can do, let's say we do 2, we want the green box to be second, and then we want the gray box to be third, which I think this is how it was already, so it's nothing is going to change. Or it's actually like this. So so we have the black box, then we have the green box, and then we have the gray box on top, just like this. So this is at the bottom actually, then this is in the middle, and then this is on the top. So it increments. The higher number will be on the top. Let's say we want to put the black box on top. We just have to specify the black box as number 3, and you can see that the black box is now on top. So that's about it for this video. It's a very short one, but I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.